Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to add a product to your store in Hostinger Website Builder. Hostinger Website Builder AI. So this guide provides a simple step-by-step instruction on how to add a product to your Hostinger Website Builder. So step 1, of course, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. Step 2, from your dashboard, go to the website builder for your desired site. So choose a desired website you need to build or edit in your website builder. In Editor, click on the Store options upper in the left-hand menu. Again, it should be on the left-hand menu. Select Products from the Store Manage sections, and click on the plus icon or plus add product button to create a new product. Enter the plug details including name, description, and upload high-quality images. This is really important, the high-quality images. Set the price, inventory levels, and all applicable product variants, like size or color. Assign your product to a category or create a new one. This helps organize your product, and adjust settings such as visibility, shipping details, and tax settings if necessary. Click Save to add your product to store your inventory, and preview your website to see how the product appears on your store. Once satisfied, of course, don't not forget to click Publish for your product and website to go live again. Because if you click on Edit and add some things on your website, it will not go live. Always make sure that you click Publish. It's the save button of website builders, alright? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.